introduce you today to behavioral economics. Contrary to what you might think, it's not just about numbers and graphs. It's actually the study of how people and institutions make economic decisions based on their psychology. Pretty cool, right? We are talking about things like cognitive biases, herd mentality, and how choices can influence our decisions. So, how does it all tie together? Basically, instead of always making rational decisions, we sometimes let our emotions get the best of us. But knowing this can help us make better choices, whether we are picking our morning coffee or investing in the stock market. So are you ready to start making more informed decisions? Did you know that while traditional economics assumes people are rational and objective decision makers, that's not entirely true according to behavioral economics. In this field of study, humans are seen as emotional and unpredictable beings, prone to making unwise choices. For example, advertising tactics that appeal to our emotions can easily sway our decision making, even if it's not in our best interest. It's crazy to think how a catchy headline can have such a significant impact on our choices. So next time, when you are making a decision, ask yourself, am I being rational or emotional?